Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows script host access is disabled on this machine error. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click H key current user. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows Script Host. Click Settings. Right-click, New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type Enabled. Right-click Modify. Change value to 1. Close and exit registry. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.